A trip to the park. At 6 in the evening, I looked outside and saw the sun was still shining brightly. It was a beautiful day, and I did not want us to miss enjoying the outside. So I suggested, let's go to the park for some fresh air and to see the sun. My grandchild heard me, and his eyes became very big and happy. He loves the park very much. Soon we all got ready to go out. My son, his wife, my grandchild, and I all put on our shoes and hats. We went into the car and drove to the park near our home. It did not take long to get there. When we arrived at the park, my grandchild ran to the swings. I walked behind him slowly, watching him laugh and shout with joy. My son and his wife followed us, and we all started to play together. I pushed my grandchild on the swings. He went up and down, and he was very excited. We all laughed together. After playing on the swings, we went to chase butterflies. The park was full of beautiful flowers and butterflies. My grandchild tried to catch them, but they flew very fast. He ran around and we followed him. It was fun to watch him play and try to catch the butterfly. We also watched other people in the park. Some were walking their dogs, others were playing games, and some were just sitting and talking. The park was full of life, and it was nice to see everyone having a good time. We spent the afternoon at the park, playing and enjoying the sun. We felt very happy to be together in such a nice place. It was a simple thing going to the park, but it made us all very happy. We stayed until the sun started to go down. Finally, it was time to go home. We were all a little tired, but very happy. We got back into the car and drove home, talking about the fun we had. Going to the park was a great idea. It made our day very special.